In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery on your Lexus Key FOB or Smart Key. Now, this is a universal one for the RX, the NX, the LX, the ES. So if you have a key fob that looks like this, most likely it is the same. Now, if you're looking to change the battery, it is quite simple. This is something that you could do yourself in a minute. So let me show you how to do that. It is very, very simple. First of all, you'll see that there's a button here. It says push, right? So hold that down and then the key slides out. Now this is an emergency key. You can use this to open your car in case the battery dies. So this is emergency. Unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to drive your car with this, but it's very useful. It is also very useful to get this open. As you can see inside, you'll see that there's like a middle slot, right? So that's where the key plugs into. So after you have the key in there, hold it in nice and tight and twist to pop open the key fob, like so. See? Once you have it open, right, simply open up the rest. And you'll have two parts. This is the part where the buttons, and this is the electronic part. And then all you have to do is, this is already loose, so just pry it up with your hand and then flip it over on this side. Make sure that you have it in the same orientation. Now you can see that the battery is there. And the battery model number, as you can see, is CR2032. And you can get this on Amazon or anywhere else, but I do have an Amazon link in the comment below, those of you guys that are interested. Now, to get this out, you can use a screwdriver or you can simply just use your nails, fingernails, or fingers. So over here, there's two tabs, and those are the ones that you could kind of pry loose, right? So stick in one of your fingernails, and then kind of just like that, it's pried loose, right? So now it's just a matter of just sliding the battery out, and that's it. And once you have the replacement battery, put it back in the same order. You slide it in like so. Right, and then you pop that back. The battery's good. Now you take the case and then make sure you go over, take a look at all sides, right? And use some pressure and pop the case back on. As you can see, all sides is closed, and that's pretty much it. And then you take the key and put it back, and that is it. Now your remote works. You can see the light is turning on, right? And go test it in your car. And that is it. So the battery will cost you a few bucks, and this takes no more than a minute to do. And if you do this yourself, you'll save yourself anywhere from $20, $40, $60, $80, or $100, depending on how much your dealership charges, which at times could be outrageous. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any other videos like this. And also make sure to check out my review videos, such as this LX 570 or this RX 350. Alright, take care guys. Bye-bye.